Shipmates, Facebookers, YouTubers, and everybody else in the whole wide world. Captain Jack here, First Mate Jenny, Billy Bones the parrot, and family, and ducks, and frogs, and a monkey made out of a coconut, and other stuff. I want to welcome you back to the channel. And it's one bell on the afternoon watch. Now, one bell on the afternoon watch means it's 12:30 p.m. So, one bell, afternoon watch, 12:30 p.m. A bell for every 30 minutes of the watch. So, as you see behind me, these are ukuleles, and pretty obvious. And some of them are very precious to me because of their previous owners, or owner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean them up, and then we're going to hang them against this wall here where they're easy access. These are the ones that I play. These 5 I play. I've got others, and we'll hang those later on. But these are the ones that I play all the time. And I can hear me making them ring behind me. So let's get started. I'm going to take off my hat and get my rags and get my cleaning gear. And we're going to clean them up one at a time, starting with a little bitty soprano and going all the way up. Here we go. Okay, I don't know which camera I'm talking into. That's got them cleaned up. I learned from the next to the last one, those are not really for polishable. So what I'll do is I'm come back later with one of my anesthetic cloths, one of the tack cloths, I think is the real name for them, and we'll get those all cleaned up. So what we're going to do now is we're going to hang them right across that wall right there. So time out, everything's going to change, and then we'll start again because it'll take a while to get this ready. Okay, thank you for watching. More coming soon. Ahoy, shipmates, Facebookers, YouTubers. Hey, I don't get many comments from people who see this on Facebook. Maybe they can't comment. I don't know. Anyway, welcome to the channel. It is 8 bells on the forenoon watch. And 8 bells on the forenoon watch means it's noon. 12, straight up and down noon. So, here we are. We've got the ukuleles hummed. I was trying to do a multicam thing, and anyway, something went wrong. So, I've got the ukuleles hummed. We cleaned them, and now I've got them hummed. And they're sitting here behind me. And I'll give you a little bit better picture of them in just a moment. And this was a fun project. It took a little bit longer than I thought it should have. And of course, in between, you didn't see me, between the first part of this video and this part of the video, you didn't see me tuning the ukuleles. But anyway, they're all in tune now. So, thank you very welcome back to the channel. I forgot. I got to learn to say that. Ding, 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 ding. Welcome to the channel. Okay, so anyway, welcome to the channel. Remember, in the channel, in the United States, the red buoys must be on the right when returning from sea. Red, right, returning. That's the B system of buoyages. If you're in England, then they're on the A system. It'll be the black will be on your right when you're returning from sea. Oh, well, just something you didn't need to know. So, thank you very much for watching, and until the very next time, adios.